Hello, my sweet friends. I hope you all are doing well. So, we are putting together blessing bags for the hopeful homeless, and we call them hopeful homeless because all it takes is one touch from God to turn any situation around. So, there is always hope. So, the items that we are including in the bag will be a pair of socks. That is the number one need of the hopeful homeless. If you put a case of water and 10 pair of socks in your truck, our car and distribute that, that'll be a blessing. The other item that we have here is a pair of gloves that's needed year round, and we also have sanitary napkins as well. Usually, I purchase maybe a case or so of those, and you can buy those actually at the Dollar Tree, along with the Q-tips here. And then we will also be adding the toothpaste. Now, keep in mind that the toothpaste and the toothbrushes are actually not uncommon for them to receive. Usually, they can receive those at shelters and things like that. But remember, the socks is the number one thing. And here we have a scarf that's great year round to keep them nice and warm. And then deodorant that can be purchased at the Dollar Tree. You can get, the female version and the male version as well. And of course, a bar of soap. I usually get the standard size soap that works perfectly, along with a towel. And then we also add to the bag a small packet or small bottle, if you will, of shampoo and conditioner. Now, you can just do a shampoo, they'll be grateful, or you can just do a conditioner, they'll be grateful. But it's the thought that count. And then, of course, we have the toothbrushes as well. Those were 3 for $1 at the Dollar Tree. And then we have a bag of, actually, these are baby wipes. So I'll purchase a case of wipes, or either someone will donate, of course, a box of wipes. And I will include 10 wipes in a Ziploc bag. And these are actually used for them to bathe. So they wash themselves up with the baby wipes. So as many as you can put in there is great. And then, of course, good old toilet tissue. Never go wrong with the toilet tissue. They love the toilet tissue along with the socks too. And then we have a fleece blanket that can be purchased under $4 at IKEA. I think it's $3.90 or something like that. And I just add all of these items to a Ziploc bag. And so, when you are out there, keep in mind, that keep their privacy. I do not suggest that you take pictures of them at all. I would encourage you to encourage them, to show them love and kindness and respect. Remember them. Some of them actually have mental issues. Some of them have childhood trauma. Some of them simply lost their job. Some of them simply had a health scare and they could not return to work, or they were injured at work. A number of things could have happened. But one thing that they deserve is to be treated with love and kindness, God's love and respect. Because remember, they are someone's child. That's someone's son. That's someone's dad or mom. Okay, so always keep that in mind when you are out there. So, and also in terms of people making donations, in the state that I am in, the homeless crisis is extremely dire. So we have wonderful volunteers that help us make financial donations with their, money, or with their time, or coming to serve, things like that. So if you are in a state where the homeless crisis is quite severe, keep it in mind in terms of asking people to help you, to make donations and things like that. Okay, most people do not mind helping. So here I write a note on the Ziploc bag. So I'll put "You are loved," or "You matter," or "Jesus love you," or something like that. Okay, just to remind them of the love of Christ, and that they are seen and not forgotten. That's the most important thing. Okay, so always keep them in your prayers. Always encourage them. And remember, the number one thing is socks. Okay? God bless you. Don't give up before the miracle happens. Bye.